Hello, welcome to the channel. In this video, I am going to talk how to upgrade your TensorFlow version to the latest version of 2.9.0. In this blog I found in TensorFlow website, it says about what's new in TensorFlow 2.9. This blog talks about the improved CPU performance and model parallelism, trace type, tf.function. There are many changes and optimizations in the latest version. You can see optimized training with Keras. So you get better performance with the latest version. So it is better to upgrade your version to the latest version when you are using this TensorFlow for machine learning models, training models with TensorFlow. So I'm going to upgrade my TensorFlow version in my notebook, Google Colab notebook. So here is my Google Colab notebook. I'm going to check the current version of the notebook. It is 2.8.2. That means it is an older version. So I'm going to update it. This is where you have to insert the version you want to upgrade to. You can see TensorFlow is downloading here. Downloading Keras. After downloading, you can see there is a message that called you must restart the runtime in order to use the newly installed version. So restarting the runtime. After this, I'm going to check whether the it is correctly installed. Yeah, you can see there is 2.9.0 in my notebook. So it is correctly installed. So thanks for watching this video. If you learn this method, if you learn the method, please do put a like and subscribe the channel. And in this channel, I'm going to upload videos about machine learning in future. So stay tuned with the channel. Thanks for watching. See you guys in the next video.